Okay guys, everyone survived the storm. You can see it's very windy here today. We're getting like gusts of 50 miles an hour. We definitely got that 70 miles per hour wind yesterday, as you guys saw in the video. It's just everything's such a mess now. I'm supposed to be getting the garden ready to go, which I'm going to try tonight, but look how muddy it is. Like, I'm sinking in the mud. This part's mostly done anyway, so that's not really a problem. Look at this, I'm like sinking in the smelly dirt. I feel like it's just half now going. So I could probably do that tonight. Doesn't look as bad because I had all the straw absorbing everything, but there's nothing to absorb now. You can see my footprints, a couple inches deep. So yeah, that's what's going on with that. Hi, duck. We got Oreo down there. The brown duck keeps making a nest everywhere, so I had to keep trying to find her. Here's a chicken I gotta take in. Are you in here? That's a piece of poop. I gotta clean this out too. It's nice and dry in there, so it's keeping everything good. But a duck in there? The duck keeps making new nests. She had one here, I think under the coop, and up top by where we have the flowers and stuff, small bushes. Duck, why didn't you want to go broody when I tried hatching eggs out like a month ago? It's hard to find her. She blends in so well. I don't think she's a roan. I have a feeling somehow the person we get it from actually had a mallard. This is definitely like a mallard, like bird. It's not heavy enough to be a roan. So I'm gonna let her lay her egg. I need to know where her nest is gonna be today. Yeah, but now she wants to be a mother. Like, where was that like a couple weeks ago? So we have everyone doing well outside. Chicken's been behaving lately, even though I do see them sometimes up there in people's yard now. They're venturing a lot more than they did last year. Their things are starting to flower. Blackberries. I'm trying to grow this out on the top of the coop too. Yeah, but the garden's a mess. Ducks are having fun down in the mud. As soon as the storms got done yesterday, I let the ducks out. I didn't record it, but they're playing in the mud, having a good old time. Oreo's slowly starting to get better. She's kind of like Bucko last year. You guys watch the Bucko videos from July. She did the exact same thing. It's like resting, like walking a little bit and resting. But Bucko and Oreo are definitely getting a lot better with their feet. So it's gonna take a little bit of time. But I think they should be okay. Chickens, I don't know where chickens went. Our chickens are over by a duck. It's too wet, they can't really scratch in the yard or dust base. Chickens are over there hanging out. So they're having a good time here. So I'm gonna wait and see when a duck lays eggs, hopefully soon. We'll see how long she stays in the nest. So we'll see. Everyone's doing really, really well here. This was a very windy day today. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken duck update. And I will see you guys again tonight when I take everyone in. Okay. It's raining a little bit again. Duck's been playing in the garden. Trying to get that all going good. You can definitely smell it. Time to let them in for the night. Hi, Oreo. Everybody's in. It's just for him. Let's get the last three. Come on, guys. I'll be taking videos of their babies later. I'm gonna be having the baby ducks in the tub. They're already getting big. Come on, guys. Oh, ducks. Come on, big duck. Good job. Bucko, your turn. Bucko. Jump. There you go. Attaboy. So yeah, everyone in here. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken duck update, and I will see you guys in a little bit later because I'm going to be putting the baby ducks back in the tub again too. They're doing real good. Baby ducks will follow me around. It's funny. They're funny little ducks. So, your babies will be going in the tub soon. Bucko, big white duck, and brown duck. Those are the kids. So, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, baby ducks in the tub. You can see how much bigger they got since the last time I've done it. On video. Diving underwater, having a good old time. The water's really, really warm too, so they could be in here for a while. Then I've been very good for them to go after they swim. We're diving underwater. It's impressive. They're little penguins. I'm not scared of the water. I love it. Look at that. We're having a lot of fun. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken duck update. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, they're all going underwater.